Calgary is a good example, right? That city got pushed as an investment destination for a lot of capital from Toronto and Vancouver. Like they were just pitching like, come invest in Calgary. If you can't afford to do it in your own city, buy a property there. There's no rent control. Rents have been going up. But the problem is when you're in this environment with no rent control and relatively loose building regulations, now you're competing with the big dogs, right? Like these developers who can put up a 200 unit building and they have the shoulders to carry that investment for decades, right? If you're a mom and pop investor and you have, one unit or two units in your portfolio, you're probably better off being in one of these places where there's so many rules and regulations that the market has gotten really really tight and people have no option other than to rent your unit. Whereas in Calgary, they built a whole bunch of supply into the market really quickly. Now renters have a lot more choice. Prices are coming back down pretty quickly. And I think a lot of the speculative investors are going to get flushed out. But also, beyond that, for a few years, there's going to be a decline in housing starts. Right? We're seeing that in Calgary and Toronto and Vancouver, where now we're not making these insane profits anymore. So everyone's nervous about starting new projects, and then a few years down the line, that's going to lead to a gap in completions.